Welcome to this walkthrough video of the Precise Report section on your platform. In this video, we'll show you how to view, filter, and export detailed order reports with just a few clicks. Here, we have the Precise Report section, where you can access detailed insights about the orders processed on the platform. Let's start by selecting Complete Orders. You'll see a list of orders with multiple key fields available, including booking number, date of order user details, driver details, pickup and drop-off locations, start and end time, payment mode, and the total amount collected. To make your analysis easier, you can apply various filters, like today, weekly, or monthly reports. As shown here, once I apply the monthly filter, the report updates with pickup and drop-off locations, time logs, payment mode, and the total amount for each order. You can also refine the list by choosing specific categories like ongoing orders, canceled by driver, orders paid by card promo orders, and more. For advanced filtering, define a custom time frame to view orders within a specific duration. Need to reset your view? Just clear all filters with one click. Once you're ready, you can export the filtered list and save it locally for further analysis or reporting. This report section makes it easy to track, manage, and analyze all order activities on your platform, efficiently and in real time. Thanks for watching.